friends, my name is Dr. Arvind Kumar Dubey. I am from School of Tourism and Hospitality Services Management, Indira Gandhi National Open University. The course which we are going to introduce is TS4, whose topic is Indian Culture, Perspective for Tourism. This course is part of Certificate in Tourism Study, Diploma in Tourism Study and Bachelor of Tourism Study. This course is an 8-credit course which is divided into 9 blocks having 31 units. All these blocks and units will be covered in 80 videos of SWAYAM and Moodle platform. This course attempts to provide an integral view of Indian culture from the perspective of the tourism sector. This course is useful for those learners who are willing to know Indian heritage, culture, tradition, art, architecture, music, dance, drama, fair, festivals, theatre, Indian cinema, different types of Indian costumes and crafts, tribal society, and government policies and perspectives. In this course, Block 1 introduces you about basics of Indian culture, its foundation, historical perspectives, meaning and spread. It also elaborated the use of conservation and how culture is interrelated to travel and tourism industry. Some international and national case studies related to travel and tourism and culture is also elaborated in Block 1. Block 2 gives understanding about social structure, customs, rituals, fairs and festivals in India. As we know, India is known for its resources and its diversity. We will also discuss different types of tourism to be developed by converting whatever resources we have into tourism products. Block 3 is devoted to fine arts like dance, music, paintings, etc. India is having many ancient places where art skills developed and flourished. We will try to find its condition, problems, management and future course of action. Block 4 elaborated on Indian cinema and theatre. Cinema and theatre is the mirror of society. In travel and tourism, it plays very important role related to destination awareness and marketing. After that, we will move to discuss architecture, main architectural styles, regional architecture, functional categories in architecture and sculpture. Block 6 will introduce archaeology and antiquity. This includes archaeological sites, that is early Harappan and Harappa period, archaeological sites related to post Harappa and museum and antiquities. Block 7 is devoted to handicrafts like clay, stone, metal, ivory, corals, gems, jewelry, textiles and costumes. Block 8 and 9 gives understanding of tribal society and its identity formation. It also elaborated on government policy, trade and media. In this block, we will try to understand how identity is going to be formulated, history and geographical spreads of tribes, tribal society, tribes and development policy, and in the last about government, trade and media. Thank you and happy learning.